Meet Ken, the fresh-faced intern, eager to prove himself but without much guidance. Will he find his way? Time will tell.
Okay, Ken. You got this. Deep breath. Time to talk to Kate. I'm sure she'll help me out.
Well, looks like even the new intern needs my help.
I am in trouble, sort of. I was sharing the files with our external agency and
And what?
all the shared media links are missing.
Don't tell me you didn't use the external content panel.
What is that?
Yet another one of those interns without any clue whatsoever. But hey, we all started somewhere. The external content panel is the sophisticated version of an InDesign link panel. It's not limited to Adobe InDesign. You'll find it wherever your CI Hub connector is located. Let me give you an example. Welcome to our Figma workspace where design meets efficiency. Over here, we've got our connected Google Drive folder, which looks a bit empty, but not for long. By entering the CI Hub external content panel, it will automatically detect all 6 embedded images from our design. And with just one click, we can add all of them to Google Drive. No local downloads and no time wasted. Look as they appear when navigating back to our folder within the CI Hub connector. Impressive, right? And I'm just getting started. Now the real fun begins. I'm back in the external content panel. Notice something different? That's right, a little alert right there. It's CI Hub's intuitive way of letting us know that there's an updated version of our image waiting for us. All I'm left to do is to click the relink button, and my image gets automatically replaced with the latest one. This ensures I'm always working with the right assets while staying brand compliant. And if you were wondering, yes, this also works with multiple images at once. By using the general relinking button, I'm updating not 1, not 2, but 4 images at the same time. A sprinkle of design tweaks, and there we are. A polished canvas. And the cherry on top? We achieved all this without ever stepping out of Figma, making sure to avoid any distractions. Check your assets, link your assets, and relink your assets.